it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for a statement piece to have on your wall, you're gonna love this one that I got from ARTECORS. I was instantly drawn in by the beauty of this agate. Something that's so cool about ordering from ARTECORS is that each agate is individual and unique, so you're never gonna get the same one twice, and they have different colors to choose from as well. I got the blue one. I think it's just stunning. All the varying colors are so complementary and brilliant, and they just stand out. This is rimmed in gold and has a handmade frame that goes around it. It's very sturdy and secure and is in a shadow box. The glass cover on it is really nice because it's clear and you can keep it looking really clean so that the beauty from the agate really shines through. Our walls are on the thinner side, so we chose to take off the hanging bracket on the back of the frame and use command strips to hang it on our wall, and that's working really well. This agate is so beautiful. You're gonna want one in every color for every room of your home, and that's my point of view.